Alright, hello guys, welcome to another episode of The Finfluenced, and today we discuss the progress on the 100x portfolio. Market की स्थिति बहुत ही खराब है, sentiment फ्यूचर में पॉसिबली अच्छा है because of all the new changes in the policies that we have seen so far. But market has not been reacting to it. FIIs have still continued to sell. These are challenging times for sure. And I've spoken to a couple of people here who have given this kind of a holistic perspective of what can or cannot happen with the new changes in the policies. Mostly the policies revolve around the consumption story. The consumption story is like this कि सबसे पहले तो यार RBI ने liquidity infuse करी banking sector के अंदर, ठीक है? This was step number 1. That massive liquidity was provided to stabilize the currency rate of USD and INR. मगर इससे फ़ायदा ये भी हो रहा है कि क्योंकि ये बैंक्स को लिक्विडिटी मिला है, बैंक्स कैन नाउ गिव लोन्स इजीली. लोन्स चाहिए MSMEs को, माइक्रो स्मॉल एंड मीडियम एंटरप्राइजेस को. तो अभी बजट में दे हैव आल्सो इंक्रीज द क्रेडिट अवेलेबिलिटी और द क्रेडिट लिमिट फॉर MSMEs एज वेल. So this was step number 2. Step number 3 was RBI ने इंटरेस्ट रेट्स कट किए बाय 25 बेसिस पॉइंट्स. सो दिस इवन अलाउज कि अब तुमको लोन मिलने ज़्यादा अच्छे से पॉसिबल है, बैंक्स को भी दिक्कत नहीं है एंड तुमको इंटरेस्ट रेट्स भी अच्छे मिलेंगे. सो इन 3 पॉइंट्स में बैंकिंग सेक्टर विल डू रियली वेल क्योंकि दे कैन प्ले अराउंड विद द नेट इंटरेस्ट मार्जिन्स एंड ऑल ऑफ दैट स्टफ. इसका रिपरकशन ये है कि बिकॉज न्यू लिक्विडिटी हैज़ एंटर्ड इन द मार्केट, द इकोनॉमी इज ससेप्टेबल टू more inflation. मगर अभी जनवरी का डेटा ये भी कह रहा है कि inflation has reduced. But I don't think you can make everybody happy by keeping inflation in check and also giving tax relief and also infusing more liquidity to stabilize currency, right? I think inflation is just a sacrifice in that place. And उसके अलावा मेरे को और कोई डेटा पॉइंट नजर नहीं आ रहा why inflation should go down. तो पोर्टफोलियो में मैंने एक छोटा सा अपडेट किया है. What is your main goal today? 7 crore. I have been convinced by my own analysis to sell Varun Beverages. It is not a bad stock, not a bad investment. मगर मेरे हिसाब से Varun Beverages is facing a lot of competition with Campa Cola, and because Campa Cola ने ये करके दिखाया है, this also gives ideas to other businesses that a behemoth like the second largest bottler of PepsiCo can be hit by competition. So और भी players are now motivated to come and disrupt the market again. Margin expansion नहीं हुआ बस उनका as expected, मगर they had increase in sales, they had increase in profits, they had EPS growth because there's so much competition around. The thesis of investing in Varun Beverages does not remain the same anymore. Regardless of whether the result was good or bad, people who think कि the growth trajectory of Varun Beverages will not be the same. ऐसा नहीं कह रहे लोग कि growth नहीं होगी, just that the growth trajectory will not be the same. This result marked an exit for them, and मैंने भी यहाँ पे result के बाद exit कर दिया था Varun Beverages को. I still believe I will probably buy this again in future. मगर as you know that we cannot keep too many stocks in our portfolio, and I had one more opportunity. I had one more stock to buy based on the recent changes in the policies. तो मेरे को किसी एक को निकालना था. Varun Beverages के साथ I sold one more stock that was sort of a swing trade, a mid-term bet. That was a mid-cap IT stock called Coforge. मेरे को इसमें 10% profit था. I exited with 10% profit. उसका earnings भी अच्छा आए थे, लेकिन again I think the market is such कि earnings अच्छा आए ना आए, the stocks are all taking a beating. So मैंने इसको भी exit कर दिया. And combining the money that I got from selling these two stocks, Coforge and Varun Beverages, I bought PGEL, PG Electroplast. Now it is a very interesting company. यहाँ पे अगर देखें तो PG Electroplast is the flagship company of PG Group. It is a OEM. इसके business segments में अगर देखें तो 61% is products which includes mainly room air conditioners. It is the second largest player of RAC finished goods sales. And washing machines, air coolers, plastic moduling, electronics, tools manufacturing and clientele देखो इसका भाई. LG Electronics, Carrier, Jaguar, Kohler, Whirlpool, Godrej, A.O. Smith, Acer, Voltas, Orient Electric, Blue Star, Chroma, Crompton. कोई बच गया है क्या? इन सब को अगर ये सप्लाई कर रहा है And given the fact that Indians are buying more and more houses, the consumption story is going to play out now. लोगों के हाथ में पैसा ज़्यादा आ गया है because of tax relief, direct tax relief, and interest rates have been cut. You have no more surplus, and you are now liable to pay less interest. And because January में inflation has gone down a bit, RBI has a potential to cut interest rates even further, because they have to match the global standards as well. So reducing interest rates, increasing income surplus only indicates towards people taking more house loans, because there are two biggest expenses in a middle class person's life. That is buying a house and buying a car. But with every house that a person buys, you will need to buy these consumer durables as well. You need to buy a fridge, AC, washing machine. This narrative comes from an influencer called Shashank Udupa, who has rightly said and pointed out that with every 3-4 BHK that is sold, you will need to buy 3-4 ACs. So housing market mein agar maan lo there is a 20% boom, you can see a 2x, 3x boom in consumer durables for that matter. And agar PG Electroplast is in washing machines, is in air conditioners, which are basically the basic requirements of any household, any middle class household today, and with their clientele having all leading companies with an etc. with an etc. It's not just these companies or we companies. You will see, look at this manufacturing capacity. They can 2.5 lakh AC units per month, indoor ACs, 2 lakh outdoor ACs per month, 25,000 window ACs per month, 1,15,000 washing machines per month. They have done a capex as well of 277 crores, and their quarterly statement was amazing. Because this is into consumer durables business, ये थोड़ा सा seasonal भी है, क्योंकि जब on season आता है during summers, people start buying ACs or replacing their older ACs or all of that stuff. कुछ ना हो तो सर्विसिंग होती है, क्योंकि विंटर्स में AC बंद पड़ा रहता है. तो summers में when you turn it back on, at times it requires servicing, because they are an OEM. तो वो parts जो चाहिए होंगे सर्विसिंग के लिए, रिप्लेसमेंट के लिए, वो भी इन्हीं से आ रहा है. So March is sort of March to June during summers they do well as opposed to the September month. लेकिन सितंबर के बाद अक्टूबर में ये तुम्हारा सेल वगैरह शुरू हो जाता है, दिवाली सेल, नवरात्रि सेल, दशहरा सेल. लेकिन इट्स जस्ट अ माइनर टिक, लेकिन दैट रिफ्लेक्ट्स इन द दिसंबर क्वार्टर. सो क्वार्टर ऑन क्वार्टर अगर देखें इसको, अगर इसको प्रीवियस क्वार्टर से देखें, सो फ्रॉम 500 crores to 968 crores, it has grown significantly. इसका ऑपरेटिंग मार्जिन हैज़ ऑल्सो ग्रोन फ्रॉम दैट क्वार्टर, एंड इसका नेट प्रॉफिट from 19 crores has gone up to 40 crores. It's an amazing result. ठीक है? And we can only imagine कि March और June में क्या होगा when again, as I said, when people spend on consumer durables using the surplus that they have from whatever tax relief that the middle class has got. ठीक है? So PGEL is what I have bought after selling Varun Beverages and Coforge. But there are other stocks as well. For example, the first month when people get more money, only sensible spenders will spend on their requirements, but 90% of the population will spend on their wants, and they will go and celebrate. So if they go and celebrate, tours and travels, hotels, your Indigo, Indian hotels, your alcohol stocks, they all will do good. And if you don't want to spend that extra money, then you will invest it. So capital market stocks like CAMS, asset management companies should do well by seeing more and more SIP inflows. Although this person from ICICI, S. Naren, has almost scared the market by telling कि भाई तुमको अगले 10 साल में returns शायद नहीं मिल सकते in SIPs. So we'll see what kind of effect that has on people. I mean, what is the other alternative if you don't do SIPs? You will have to invest in direct stocks. मगर investing in direct stocks requires so much research that an employee, a salaried employee, does not have time to do that. I am actually facing problems with that. मेरे पास उतना time है नहीं market research करने का. I mean, I still commit more time to market research than most people I know in my social circle. मगर आई एम स्टिल नॉट डूइंग इट फुल टाइम. इसका मतलब ये है कि देयर कैन बी टाइम्स व्हेन सर्टेन इवेंट्स दैट हैपन इन द मार्केट. कोई एक मान लो किसी कंपनी का क्वार्टरली स्टेटमेंट बहुत ही ख़राब आ गया, अगले दिन इट गोज डाउन बाय 20%. आई थिंक इट हैपेंड विद नैटको फार्मा. आई डोंट होल्ड नैटको फार्मा, मगर उसके रिजल्ट्स बहुत ख़राब आए. एंड लुक एट दिस. This has wiped out almost all gains that it had in the entire year. It started with 887. It is now trading at 880. 1 year का पूरा gain from a top of 1600 rupees. It has been wiped out by 50%. Just because of one bad result. यहाँ तक भी ठीक था. This was an effect of the current bearish sentiment across the markets. मगर इसके बाद जो हुआ which is extremely brutal. अगर if you were not part of the financial statements disclosure or the con calls, and if you had missed this out, अगले दिन you would have seen a 20% drop in your portfolio, or whatever fraction of your portfolio it was, right? SIPs are probably not all that bad, but what S. Naren says is good, is actually a good insight. कि finding the correct instrument to do SIP is the key to getting a successful SIP returns. ठीक है? So I'll link in the description that talk of S. Naren, and you can discover more about it. मगर I am very happy at least कि मैंने अपने profits and losses को offset करके, I had losses in Varun Beverages that got offsetted by the profits of Coforge. And then both no profit no loss corpus went into PG Electroplast, and now I'm waiting for the next 1 year to play out. It is not a 1 year. I mean, PG Electroplast is still a relatively small to mid cap company. Okay? So, and it is also trading at 100 P valuation. So it is scary. It is scary for sure. वही है कि अगर तुमको वैल्यू स्टॉक्स में इन्वेस्ट करना है, यू जस्ट इन्वेस्ट इन योर निफ्टी इंडेक्स फंड, राइट? उसमें तुमको यू विल गेट द 50 ब्लू चिप स्टॉक्स विच आर ऑल अंडर वैल्यूड. सो इफ यू रियली वांट टू डू अ लो रिस्क एंड सेंसिबल इन्वेस्टमेंट, डोंट गो फॉर ऑल दिस दैट आई एम डूइंग. Qualified financial advisors are advising to get into large cap stocks, to get into mega cap stocks. Your Reliance, your TCS, your Infosys, your ITC, your HUL, even VBL for that matter, जो मैंने sell कर दिया है, is still a very good stock to buy, is still a very good business to buy. And as Warren Buffett says, price action से अगर तुम affect हो जा रहे हो, then you're not doing it right. You have to invest in the business. And if you understand the fundamentals of the business, if you realize the value that the business brings, the price will eventually have to reflect it. Eventually have to reflect the proper value of that business. So I am scared to invest in a stock that is lying at 100 PE. But it is a game of probabilities. It is a game of probabilities. It is a game of your research. It is the game of the influence that you get, and by whom do you get influenced. So think about it. Find a way to get properly influenced or to get properly finfluenced. And for now, that's the video for the week, and I'll see you next week. Bye.